5 money moves you need before 2026. Budget, save, and grow. Welcome back to Life on a Ledger, your home for real budgeting, saving, and money strategies that actually work. Today, I'll share 5 simple money moves you can make right now to set yourself up for financial success in 2026. Easy step number 1. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or TFSA/RRSP. Even $20 a week adds up to over $1,000 a year without effort. A quick example of this: skip 2 takeout coffees, auto-save $10, and watch your money grow. Easy step number 2. Crush high-interest debt. Focus on credit cards or payday loans first. For example, $5,000 at 20% interest equals $1,000 per year wasted. Snowball payment methods quickly turn into avalanche payoffs. Easy step number 3. Start a mini investment. Even $100 in ETFs like VOO, QQQ, or Canadian index funds builds habits. It's less about the amount, more about consistency. ETFs and mutual funds lead to dividend reinvestment and compounding interest power. That can lead to millionaire status later. Easy step number 4. Build a safety net. Save up 1 month's expenses in a high-interest savings account. This acts as financial armor when surprises hit. For example, car repairs or medical bills. Easy step number 5. Audit your spending. Remember the 24-hour rule for impulse buys. Always do a weekly review of any subscription services you have. Make sure to cut a $15 unused subscription and turn that money into an investment. That's easily an extra $180 a year in your pocket. Let's recap. Automate savings, crush debt, invest small, build a financial safety net, and audit spending. These moves aren't flashy, but they're life-changing. Comment Gorilla in the comments below if you want to change your life. Remember, start budgeting smart today, protect your credit, and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.